Hello. In this tutorial, I'm going to show how to install and run locally the AI model ZipVoice TTS on a Windows with Conda. ZipVoice is a series of fast and high-quality zero-shot TTS models based on flow matching. Small and fast, only 123 enums parameters. Step 1. Install Miniconda package. Navigate to Anaconda.com download. Register with Anaconda, if desired. Scroll down past the Anaconda distribution installers and select the 64-bit Windows Miniconda installer. Recommended: verify the integrity of your installer to ensure that it was not corrupted or tampered with during download. Go to your Downloads folder, or Home folder if downloaded via CLI, and double-click the installer to launch. Click Next, and then agree to Anaconda's Terms of Service, TOS. Select an installation option. Just me, recommended. Select a destination folder to install Miniconda, then click Next. Customize your installation options. Click Install. The installation might take a few minutes to complete. Click Show details to view the packages being installed. Click Next twice, then click Finish to close the installer. To check if Miniconda has been successfully installed, open the Anaconda prompt on Windows and enter the command Conda v. If successful, you will see the version number displayed, e.g., Conda 2611. Step 2. Create Conda environment. Open Anaconda prompt. Navigate to the folder containing the environment. To create a Conda environment, use the following command in Anaconda prompt Conda env create-f environment.yml. Conda does not check architecture or dependencies when installing from a spec file. To ensure that the packages work correctly, make sure that the file was created from a working environment, and use it on the same architecture, operating system and platform, such as Linux 64 or OS X 64.
A few moments later.
Activate the environment using the name defined in the file Conda activate ZipVoice. After that, clone the ZipVoice repository from source. Use the cd command to navigate to the newly cloned voice zip folder. Download the reference audio from ZipVoice-onx. Step 3. Run the inference. To generate single-speaker speech with our pre-trained ZipVoice models, use these commands. When you run ZipVoice for the first time, it has to fetch the neural network weights and configuration files from the Hugging Face hub. The model is cached on your local drive, so it doesn't need to re-download next time. To download models from the Hugging Face hub faster, using an access token in Python, you should use the login function from Hugging Face hub within your code. ZipVoice can reproduce high-quality voice, cloning state-of-the-art performance in speaker similarity, intelligibility, and naturalness. ZipVoice support Chinese and English, both single-speaker and dialogue speech generation. See the eggs directory for training, fine-tuning, and evaluation examples. So, this is done. The result will be the audio file result.wav. I am the text to be synthesized. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share.